Change it to. Okay. I prepared the situation of 80 hoists in a grid, approximately 4 meter by 4 meter, so nearly the same situation the customer asked for. And I would like to show you some advantages if we do not combine the grid to a fixed truss system altogether. Yeah? So what I did, I prepared lines, each line with 8 hoists. You can do it also the other way around, like each line with 10 hoists, doesn't care, it's the same situation. And I would like to explain the situation working in this case with lines. One example is if I have just a setup which wants to use points in the first row or in the second row or in the third row, I'm able to select just these hoists or these rows. I also can add something at the end of the grid. And the advantage is I can select all hoists or rows or groups, and I can drive them in a synchronized move. So even these rows are not connected to each other in a fixed grid system, I'm able to drive them in a synchronized move. So I just have to select what I want to move, and everything which is selected will move parallelly down or up. So I just show this. So these are not so fast now. So they will move down. So for example, if there is a separate situation, for example a video cube or something else, in the middle, the people for the video cube do not have to wait till everything else is ready. So we can say, okay, in the middle there's somebody else working, and they can be moved separately. And even if they want to combine everything and say everything now up together, all together, it's no problem to say, okay, everything which is prepared now, exactly in this situation. No, don't take this. So every kind of group or grid or setup which is ready now to go up can be selected now again, and I can say, okay, I take all of these hoists, they all start at the position where they are prepared now, and they are all going up to a predefined situation, no problem. So all these hoists move parallelly in a synchronized move up. So what may happen if this supergrid will be mounted by one piece of truss system? 80 hoists in a distance 4 by 4 meters may cause some mistakes because they are watching by the incremental and absolute encoder very, very carefully the positioning. And if there is a deviation by 1 or 2 centimeters, this may be caused because of a heavy load at one point or things like that, the system may stop. Not only the row or the line where the hoist is included, but the whole grid will stop. So the question is, do we need such kind of secure situation, or do we just need a synchronized move over all selected rows, groups and hoists? And in my opinion, we just need the last case. So we need to say, okay, all these hoists I now pointed out have to move synchronized, exact synchronized, but we don't need, beyond the hoists, a fixed mother grid which allows no difference in moving just rows or columns or things like that. That's the situation. So what I want to show is that the desk, the control desk, the software allows a more flexible situation, just pointing out hardware-wise rows, but moving everything together in a synchronized move.